in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth microphone to your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left side. And then on the right side, select versus devices and the add device option. At this point, you can select Bluetooth at the top and make sure your microphone is properly configured to your network settings as well as powered up. And then you should be able to just proceed with the on-screen wizard here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.